Homework pressure? No more. At Spring Library, we explain every topic in simple way. Join the learning family and score high every day.
Question 2 asks, what observed dose in rads of alpha particles with an RBE of 15 causes as much biological damage as a 60 rad dose of protons with an RBE of 10? So in the scenario, this question does state that for these things, these specific RBEs and doses, we say that these two sources of radiation do cause the same biological damage, which means that the BED for both radiations are equivalent. We say the BED of alpha particles are equivalent to the BED, of protons. So here I'll just represent protons with a P. So we know the equation for RBE is simply the relatively biological effectiveness of the alpha particles multiplied by the absorbed dose of alpha particles. And similarly for protons multiply the absorbed dose of these protons. So here everything is given to us, of course, except for the dose for alpha particles. So we can just rearrange this equation. D alpha is RBE of protons multiplied by the dose for protons over RBE of alpha. And we just take this ratio such that we have 10 multiplied by 60 rad. Of course, RBE has no units, so we need to consider them here, over 15. So we find that the dose, as the question asks to us in rad, is 10 over 15 times 60, which is simply 40 rad. There you go.